As the by-election intensified in Bagalkot and Davanagere, Sadiq Pailwan, who filed his nomination as an independent candidate for the Davanagere by-election, met Chief Minister Siddaramaiah today along with his supporters and held discussions. Many as 34 candidates are in the clash for the Assembly Bypolls in Bagalkot and Davanagere South, according to the Office of the Election Commission of India. In Bagalkot, a total of 26 nominations were filed. Of this, 14 were validated, and following 5 withdrawals, 9 candidates remain in the contest. Meanwhile, Davanagere South witnessed 45 nominations, of which 36 were accepted. After withdrawals, 25 candidates are now contesting the bypoll. The by-elections were necessitated following the deaths of sitting Congress MLAs H Meti from Bagalkot and Shamanur Shivashankarappa from Davanagere South. The Indian National Congress has fielded Umesh Meti in Bagalkot and Samarth Shamanur in Davanagere South. On the other hand, the Bharatiya Janata Party has nominated Veerabhadrayya Charantimath for Bagalkot and Srinivas Dasakariyappa for Davanagere South. Election authorities have intensified expenditure monitoring during the poll period. Officials have seized over 80 lakh rupees in cash and liquor, registering 53 FIRs and initiated multiple cases under the Karnataka Excise Act. In addition, the Election Commission stated that illegal incentives worth over 408 crore rupees meant to influence voters across 4 states were seized in the past month. Meanwhile, in a significant political development, the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee expelled H Subhan Saab, Labour Wing District President of Davanagere DCC. For 6 years, Subhan Saab is contesting the Davanagere South bypoll as a rebel candidate and allegedly made derogatory remarks against the party, violating party discipline. KPCC Working President G.C. Chandrasekhar stated that the action was taken to uphold party unity and maintain organizational discipline.